This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce website to mobile app. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS mobile application. Get an opportunity to grab 30% off by being the first 200 signups. Get the link in the description. Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha, and in this video we'll be seeing how you can add a cancel order button onto your e-commerce store. So when your customer buys something by mistakes, or they want to modify the product or anything like that, you can add a cancel now button right here in the My Account section of your customer's account. So we'll see how this is done. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, as we come up with videos on WordPress and WooCommerce every now and then to get your website performance up and top. So now we are in the WordPress dashboard, and here in the plugin section, we're going to add a new plugin. So in the plugins, we're going to add a new plugin, clicking on add new. And the plugin that we are going to install is the WP cancel plugin. So I'm searching for cancel order better. Okay. So the first result that we get is the WC cancel order plugin. So this is the popular plugin that is commonly used for the cancel order button. So I'm going to click on to the install now option right here. Once installed, you can just click on to activate. So once the plugin is installed, you can see the settings in the plugin section. So you can go to settings, or you can go to WooCommerce and go to settings where you can see WC cancel. So this is the settings where you can add the button. So here request cancellation. So you can choose which all customers can cancel their order. So here we have option of pending payment, processing order, on hold and completed. So you can see that when a product is in the pending payment or processing or on hold, can cancel their order. Also, if you want to make or cancel order if they have received or the order status is completed, you can also do that. So I'm not going to do that. So these three are my options, and here you can add a button or column where your customers can do a cancellation reason, so where you can add the input. And also if there is any customer note, you can also add that. So I'm going to save the changes, and when we go to our website, I'm going to go to my website, and in the My Account section, we have added a product, we have placed an order. So here you can see there is an option to cancel the request. So when you click on to the request, you can see that an order cancellation button is there. So by mistake is my reason. So this the UI of this page is completely depend upon the theme. So I'm going to confirm the cancellation. So the cancellation request is sent successfully, so that I can see that. So here the status is the cancel request. Also, when you go to the dashboard, here you will be able to see in the WooCommerce section the WC cancel button, cancel setting is there, and here you can see that there is all of the cancel order is here. So you can either view the request, approve the request, or cancel the request. So if I just approve the request, the cancellation will be approved. Okay, so this the order is now cancelled. And when you click on to the order, you will be when you click on to that, or when you go to the order section, here you will be able to see that your order is currently cancelled. And also there is an option of refund, which is already done by the WooCommerce setting. You will get an option to refund. So if they have proceeded with the payment, you can just click on to the refund and give the amount, how much amount that your customer owes, or you owe the customer. You can also do that. So that's how you can add a cancel button onto your WooCommerce store, where when a customer buys a product and they want to cancel it. So it's an easy 2 simple steps. You need to install the plugin, make the settings, and that's it. Your order will be cancelled, and also you will get the notifications and everything onto your email. So that's it. That's all about today's video where we have talked about the cancel request option. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and we'll see you in another video. Bye.